First grade picture day, borrow ribbon in my hair. Teacher asked what he looked like, I just stared. Other kids ran in arms at the gate. I learned early how to stand and wait. Birthday candles, one wish every year. Someone tall who suddenly appeared. But the door stayed quiet, the hallway still. So I grew up faster than a child should will. I watched the world through secondhand scenes, learning love from magazines. Other girls, dads at the schoolyard line, lifting them up like the sun would shine. I learned to tie my shoes, hold my ground when nobody came around. No one to guide me, no voice to say you're gonna be okay someday. I didn't break, I didn't fall, I learned anyway through it all. Middle school dances, rides home alone, friends on the phone saying dad's at the door. I laughed it off, said I was fine, built my own safety line by line. College moving, boxes and stairs, moms and dads everywhere. I carried mine in 2 slow trips, bit back the ache on my lips, and every empty space I faced turned into strength I made. Other girls, dads at the finish line, clapping loud at the perfect time. I learned to drive my heart, steer my doubt when no one helped me out. No one to guide me, no voice to say you're gonna be okay someday. I didn't break, I didn't fall, I learned anyway through it all. Maybe he was a ghost, maybe name, maybe a story without a frame. But I'm not the silence he left behind, I'm every piece I had to find. And every scar became a light, every lonely night taught me how to be my own safe place, my own home. Other girls, dads in the photographs, smiling wide as the moments pass. I learned to stand in my own frame, write my life, sign my name. No one to guide me, no voice to say you're gonna be okay someday. I am the strength they never saw, I learned anyway, that's who I am.